In this video, we are going to give you a brief guide to our robotics team Making Magic and why we want you to join us for the 2025-2026 season.
First Robotics is a robot building competition where students compete with teams across the state and even the country in unique challenges.
Each year, students are faced with new challenges and have to build a new robot. This year's theme is based on archaeology and is called Rebuilt.
As a member of Making Magic, you can unearth new skills that can better help your future. Working with students and mentors, you can dig deeper into what you're interested in through hands-on experience.
We don't just build robots, we build community. Robotics is more than just robots. It's a team of people helping you do your best now and in the future. It can lead to leadership opportunities and scholarships.
We have 4 main sub-teams: design, manufacturing, programming, and media. Here's a little bit more about each one.
Design sub-team, we do 3D modeling, CAD, and then plan out how the parts of the robot that the manufacturing team is going to make.
Manufacturing is the team that uses these big machines to make the designs real.
Software gets us that just extra little competitive edge for our drivers. Whether that's auto aim or getting extra points in autonomous, that's what we do.
Media team is the sub-team that creates all the promotional videos and marketing that you see and currently are watching. We welcome any 9th through 12th grade students, no matter their experience level. So come uncover what you can do and help us rebuild the future. So what are you waiting for?
Come uncover some magic with us!